Let's join the session. Okay, Manish, today I'll upload. Good evening, everyone. Shall we start the session now? Now look here. Good evening, Rajesh. Good evening, everyone. Now last class till which question we have finished? Now we will start question from here. Question number 30. Cosecant A equal to root 2. Then the value of 2 sin square A plus 3 cot square A plus 4 tan square A minus cos square A. Solve this question fast and tell the answer, what answer is exactly going to come. First, cosecant A equal to root 2. Cosecant is nothing but cosecant A. So this one will be A. So cosecant A equal to root 2 is there. Cosecant is what? Hypotenuse by perpendicular. So hypotenuse is root 2, perpendicular is 1. So base will become root 2 square minus 1. So it will also become what? 2 minus 1. Here base will also become 1. Now 2 sin square A, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse, 1 by 2 plus 3 cot square A plus 3 into 1. So here it is going to come as 3 plus 1, 4. So numerator will become 4. By down 4 is there. Tan square A. Tan square A is 1 minus cos square A. Cos square A is 1 by 2. So this and this will get cancelled. So it is coming as 1 by 2. What answer is exactly going to come? Option. Come on, give the option fast. Solve and give the option fast, beta. Solve and give the option as fast as possible. Solve and give the option as fast as possible. What answer is exactly going to come? After solving, I am getting 2. What answer you are getting? I got 2 as answer. I got 2 as answer. See, look here. 1 by 2 is going to come as answer. Yes. Yes, Haripriya. B is going to be the answer. 2 is exactly going to be answer. So trigonometry, most important questions we are going to solve. Come on, solve as fast as possible. Don't take that much time. Solve as fast as possible. Sometimes I am doing delay. Very good, Kamya. Answer is Watson. B is answer. V Kavya aunty, we can put A as angle 30 degree. Yes, you can do like that also, Kamya. To solve it as fast as possible, you can do. Kamya, absolutely, you can go for it. Now we will go for next question. Now next question is, if tan square 45 degree minus cos square 30 degree equal to x sin 45 degree cos 45 degree, then x will be equal to what? Now solve it as fast as possible. Here question what is given to you is tan square 45 degree. So here what value you are knowing, that is exactly going to help you. Tan square 45 degree is 1. Now cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So minus root 3 by 2 whole square equal to x cos sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So it is coming as 1 minus 3 by 4. And here it will become root 2 will become 2. So here 4 minus 3 by 4 into 2 equal to x. So this will cancel. So 4 minus 3 is nothing but 1. So 1 by 2. X is coming how much? Come on, quickly. Very good. Super, Kavya. That was a super awesome speed. So answer is coming 2 or 1 by 2. Answer is going to come 2 or 1 by 2. Those who are exactly telling D, they are absolutely correct. D is going to be answered. D is going to be answered. D is exactly going to be answered. Haripriya, can you inform everyone to join for practice? Now look here, next question is x cos square 30 degree. To see, like these type of questions are very important to solve. They may ask these type of questions. Value angle based questions they may ask. Okay, you only have to see, if you are knowing the table nicely, you will be able to solve. So now come on, start solving. Take it as a race and start solving. Most important, you know what, last exam science, if you remember, physics and whatever discussion biology we have discussed, questions came from there. So again I am using same book for maths. I am having trust that again questions will come. So practice nicely. Now cos square 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is what? Cos 30 degree is how much? Cos 30 degree is 2. So here it will become 4x, because 2 square will be there. So 4x into secant root 2 is there. So root 2 whole square will be there. Denominator cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2 whole square into 8 is there. Now sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2 whole square, and that will be equal to tan square 60 degree minus tan square 30 degree. Tan square 60 degree means 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1 by root 3 whole square. So here it will come 4 to the 8, because root 2 whole square will be 2. 4 to the 8x by 8 into 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. So this 8 and this 8 will get cancelled. Here it is coming as 3 minus 1 by 3. So here this 4 to the 8 will go up. So 8x by 3 will be equal to 3 3s are 9 minus 1 by 3. So this and this will get cancelled. X value is coming as 8x equal to 8. So x is coming as 1. How many of you are getting the answer? Come on, quickly solve the question. Don't take that much time. We have more practice. We have to more. The set what I have taken, very important. So x is coming as 1 here. You just have to substitute and get the answer. Very good, Kamya. That was a super speed. Go with that speed. You can't take that much time. Show your efficiency. Before me, you have to solve the question and send the answer. Okay, before I'll start, the answer is coming as x equal to a. Shall we go for the next question? Go for this trigonometry question. My question is sin 2a equal to half tan square 45 degree, where a is an acute angle. Then the value of a is, come on, quickly solve and say the answer. Then the value of acute angle will be what? Then the value of acute angle will be what? Sin 2a equal to half tan square 45 degree, where a is an acute angle. Then value of a is 60 degree, 45 degree, 30 degree, 15 degree. Which angle is exactly going to be the correct answer? Which one is exactly going to be the correct answer? Sin 2a equal to half tan square 45 degree. Sin 2a equal to half tan square 45 degree. Tan square 45 degree is nothing but half 1 only. So sin 2a, don't waste your time in these type of questions. Half is there. So that means sin 2a equal to sin 30 degree. That means 2a equal to 30 degree. That means a will be equal to 15 degree. So a will be exactly equal to what? Absolute. Who has given the answers? Wow, super. Shiva, Kavya, Vatsan, Logita, absolute. Correct answer. You have to think like that. Tan 45 degree is 1. So sin 2a equal to half is only going to come. Okay, we'll go for the next question. Fastly, if you will do, we will go for session fast. then we will start another chapter also. Next question is evaluate the 8 root 3 cosecant square 30 degree, sine 60 degree, cos 60 degree, cos square 45 degree, cos 45 degree, tan 30 degree, cosecant cube 45 degree. Now you have to evaluate and solve and tell the answer. Now here 8 root 3 is there, keep 8 root 3. Cosecant 30 is 2, so 2 square. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 into cos 60 is 1 by 2 into cos square 45 degree is 1 by root 2 whole square into sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2 into tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 into cosecant cube 45 degree. Cosecant cube 45 degree means cosecant 45 is root 2 cube. Now here what you are going to do is, now solve this one. 8 into root 3, here it will become 4 into root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by root 2 whole square will become 1 by 2, and here this one will also become 1 by root 2, and here it is 1 by root 3 into root 2 3 times. Root 2 will become 2, so 2 root 2. Root 2 cancel, 2 cancel, root 3 cancel, 2 4 cancel. 8 root 3 is coming for me. What answer is coming, everyone? Come on. 8 root 3. 34th question answer. Everyone come on, give the answer. 34th question. 34th question answer. What answer is coming? Thirty-fourth answer, yes. Sudarshan, I got 8 root 3. What about all of you? What answer you got? Kanishka also got 8 root 3. Okay, super. The correct answer is exactly what? Haripriya, Mustafa, answer is 8 root 3. Absolutely. Janani, answer is D coming. 16 root 3. Let's check this one out. What is the correct answer? Correct answer is 8 root 3 only, beta. You just have to substitute the value and solve. Shall we go for the next question? Sometimes students get confused with the values of trigonometric angle. They substitute wrong values. Because of that, answer is not coming correct. Now go for this question. Tan alpha is root 3. Tan beta is 1 by root 3. And alpha beta lies between 0 to 90 degree. Then the value of cot alpha plus beta. First important point here. We need not to worry when these type of questions are given. Tan alpha means tan alpha equal to tan 60 degree. So here alpha is coming as 60 degree, alpha is coming as 60 degree, here beta is coming as tan beta equal to tan 30 degree. So beta is coming as 30 degree, beta is coming as 30 degree. Now alpha is 60, beta is 30. Then alpha plus beta will be what? 30, 60 plus 30, 90. So what will be cot 90? What will be cot 90? What will be cot 90? Come on, tell the answer fast. But they are not asking that question. If you think, you have to check this one very nicely. They are asking cot 90 degree. You know that cot 90 degree, if you will see the table, cot 90 degree is nothing but 0. So B will become the answer. Cot 90 is 0. So B is exactly going to be the answer. So you have to be very quick in answering these type of questions. Next question what they are telling that if cos alpha equal to root 3 by 2, tan beta is equal to 1 by root 3, then the value of sine alpha plus beta, where alpha and beta both are acute angle. So sine alpha plus beta we have to find. Cos alpha is root 3 by 2. We know that cos alpha, what angle is exactly going to give? Cos 30 degree. So here alpha is directly coming 30 degree. These type of question are very important for your tomorrow, day after tomorrow examination. Very, very important. Cos alpha is root 3 by 2. So alpha is coming as 30. Tan beta is, means beta is also going to come 30, because tan beta tan 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3. So here beta is also 30 degree, alpha is also 30 degree. So alpha plus beta will become 60 degree. So sine 60 degree will be equal to what? Which option is exactly going to be the correct answer? Absolute. Super. Don't stop writing. Answer C is going to be root 3 by 2. Absolute. Now shall we go for the next question, please? What next question is? So this pattern question, see very nicely. Now I want you to solve this question because I have solved this type of question more. Now this time you are going to tell the answer. What question is? Sin alpha is equal to 1 by 2, cos beta equal to 1 by 2. Then alpha plus beta is what? Sin alpha equal to 1 by 2, cos beta equal to 1 by 2. Then alpha plus beta will be equal to what? Alpha plus beta will be equal to what? Come on, do it fast. Do it fast. Everyone is telling D as answer. Let's check this one out. Very good. So here sin 30 degree equal to 1 by 2 and cos 60 degree equal to 1 by 2. So beta is 60 degree, alpha is 30 degree. So alpha is coming as 30 degree, beta is coming as 60 degree. So alpha plus beta is coming as 90 degree. Alpha plus beta is coming as 90 degree. So D is going to be the correct answer. Absolute. Super. Shall we go for the next question? Do it as fast as possible. Here what question they are telling that sin 30 plus cos 30 minus sin 60 plus cos 60. What answer is exactly going to come? Quickly answer the question. Sin 30 plus cos 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So this minus this, what answer is exactly going to come? This answer, this minus this, what answer is exactly going to come? The correct answer is exactly going to come as fastly say the answer. Fastly say the answer. You don't have that much time to think about it. Substitute the value this plus this minus this plus this. What answer is coming? Hey, super Sudarshan. Sudarshan has started and said the answer C as first. Okay. Once this set will be over, maximum today itself I am going to send these solutions. Now we will go for next question. Question is tan 30 degree by cot 60 degree. Don't solve, just substitute and check as fast as possible. Tan 30 cos 60. What will be the answer? Tan 30 cos 60. Tan 30 cos 60. They are complementary. What answer will come? Super Kamya. Super. I saw Kamya has given the answer first. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Cos 60 is 1 by root 3. They will cancel, answer will come 1. So D is going to be the answer. Next, the value of sin 45 plus cos 45. Come on, quickly give the answer. Don't waste your time. Come on, quickly give the answer. Sin 45 degree plus cos 45 degree. Sin 45 degree plus cos 45 degree. What answer is exactly going to come? Sin 45 plus cos 45. Sin 45 plus cos 45. Come on, come on, come on. Sin 45 plus cos 45. What answer is exactly going to come? Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. It is coming as 2 root 2. If we will rationalize it, it is coming as 2 root 2 by root 2. So here it is exactly going to cancel. So answer is coming as root 2. So answer is coming what? Answer is coming for this question is B. Absolutely correct answer. Shall we go for the next question? Secant. Now this question, secant theta is always less than 1, greater than 1, less than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to 1. This question, one time I am explaining for the values. Everyone pay attention. Like this question can come in your examination. So you have to remember one very important point. Pay attention everyone. Sin theta value lies between -1 and +1. So what can be the minimum value of sin theta? The minimum value of sin theta will be -1. What can be the maximum value of sin theta? the maximum value of sin theta can be 1. Minimum -1, maximum 1. But if somebody will write sin theta is equal to 10, is it possible? Is it possible? Is it possible? Come on, quickly say. If somebody will say sin theta equal to 10, is it possible? If somebody will say sin theta equal to 10, is it possible? Then you will say no, the minimum value is -1, maximum value is 1. So it will never be possible. It will never be possible to write. It will never be possible to exactly get. Now next important point is cos theta also same. Cos theta value always lies between -1 to +1. So if cos theta minimum value is -1, cos theta minimum value is -1, cos theta maximum value is 1. So cos theta value will never. So but what will be secant theta? So cos theta value lies between -1 to 1. Then what can be the condition for secant theta? So secant theta lies between -∞ to -1. Secant theta, because secant is reciprocal of cos. So whatever value cos is not taking in the number line, that value secant will take. Whatever value cos will not take, that value secant will take. Understood? That value what will take? Secant will take. So secant answer will be -∞ to -1 and 1 to infinity will be coming. Means secant can be taking any value less than -1, any value greater than 1. Remember this point, any value less than -1 or any value greater than 1. This part must remember. Same case for cosecant also. Cosecant value can lie between, so sin theta lies between -1 and 1. So cosecant value will lie between this region, between -∞ to -1 and between 1 to infinity. So always remember this part. Always remember this part. But when somebody will be talking about tan theta, then tan theta can have any value. It will have any value or set of real number. Cot theta can have any value, that is tan theta value will be set of any real number. Set of any real number. Set of any real number. Remember this part. Tan theta, cot theta will have set of any real number. Now one general question I am asking from all of you. Get ready to answer the question. Get ready everyone to answer the question beta. The first question I am asking is, if somebody is writing cosecant theta equal to 4, is it possible to get cosecant theta equal to 4? Is this statement true statement or a false statement? Is this statement true statement or a false statement? Just you have to write T and F. Is this a statement true statement or a false statement? Everyone think nicely and say the answer. Yes, absolute. Yes, absolute. The statement is very good, Kavya. Kamya, one time beta see. This statement is going to be true statement, Kamya. Why the statement will be true statement, beta? Because cosecant theta value lies between -1, 1. So this is the reason for cosecant theta. This is the region for cosecant theta. Okay. So here if somebody wrote 4, so 4 comes after 1 na beta. So this is possible. This is a true statement. This is a true statement. Okay. Now if somebody will be writing secant theta equal to -5, is that statement a true statement? Come on. This statement is a true statement or a false statement? This statement is a true statement or a false statement? Because Anu, we have already discussed now the value of secant theta, cosecant theta lies between -∞ to -1, 1 to infinity. So here 4 comes between 1 to infinity. So cosecant value can be 4. Cosecant value can be 4. Cosecant value can be 4. Very good, very good, very good. Arif, absolutely correct. Yes. So here exactly this statement is a true statement because secant theta value also, so sin theta value lies between -1 to 1. Same way between -1 to 1 cos theta value will lie, but secant theta value lies between -∞ to -1, 1 to infinity, and because of that 1 to infinity, because of that secant value can be -5. Secant value can be -5. So this statement is exactly a true statement. This statement is exactly what statement? This statement is a true statement. Now this discussion I have kept because like this type of question is possible to come. Now secant theta is always less than 1. Greater than 1. Less than or equal to 1. Greater than or equal to 1. What statement is exactly going to be the correct statement here? What statement is exactly going to be? Very good. Greater than or equal to 1. So greater than or equal to 1 we can go. Greater than or equal to 1. Less than or equal to 1. Greater than 1 or less than 1 will not be there. So it will be less than or equal to 1. No. It will be greater than or equal to 1. So now we will go for the next one. Go for this question and let's see how fast you can solve this question. These type of question many a times you have done. I told you one day direct formula for this also. I told you one day one direct formula for this, and what that direct formula, can I give you the direct formula again so that you can write it and do it fast? One direct formula was there. I gave you that direct formula. If you have notebook, you can exactly use. Very good, Janani. If you have notebook, you can exactly use that formula. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but sin 2 theta. So here, if theta given is 30 degree, then sin 2 theta means sin 2 into 30 degree. So sin answer will be coming as 60 degree. So then you need not to solve. Now tell what answer is exactly going to come. Tell what answer is exactly going to come. What answer is exactly going to come? Solve this question. What answer is exactly going to come? What answer is exactly going to come? Think about it and solve the question, beta. What answer is exactly going to come? Shiva, answer is coming as sin 60 degree. Absolutely correct. Answer is coming as sin 60 degree. Everyone please pay attention and check this one. Yes, absolutely correct. Answer is coming as sin 60 degree. Answer is coming as sin 60 degree. Answer is coming as what degree? Sin 60 degree. So this formula, if you can write, you can note down. If you remember this formula, okay. If you don't remember, then put the value and check. Okay. So two formulas are there. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta equal to cos 2 theta. This is one formula. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So now look here. Only remember one thing. 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta is fixed. So 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is cos 2 theta. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta will be sin 2 theta. Okay. And sin 2 theta. And then tan 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So this formula just remember. This formula just remember. This three formula, it will make your work very fast. It will make your work very fast if you can note down. Just note down this formula. Last moment I have given you this formula so that if you will check this one nicely also. Trick is, what is the trick here is cos 2 theta plus will come, sin 2 theta plus will come, tan 2 theta minus will come. Tan 2 theta what will come? Minus will come. Last moment this formula I have given you so that you can exactly go for it nicely. Okay. So here 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is cos 2 theta. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta means it is coming as sin 2 theta. Tan 2 theta by 2 tan theta minus 1 minus tan square theta will be exactly equal to tan 2 theta. Now I think you will be capable of solving the questions which is exactly going to come. So here it will be sin 2 theta. Now they will be substituting. Now only I told you one formula. Now based on that formula, can you solve this question? Can you solve this question? 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. What answer is exactly going to come? 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. What answer is exactly going to come? Think about it. Right now itself I told you 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Come on, very good Arif. So here it is going to come directly. This formula will be cos 2 theta means cos 2 into 45 degree. So cos 90 degree and cos 90 value is 0. So without substitution direct you can say the answer. So answer is exactly coming as 0. What answer is coming? Answer is coming as 0. Answer is coming as 0. Shall we go for the next one? Here sin 2a is 2 sin a is true when For what value it is exactly going to be true? Sin 2a equal to 2 sin a. What angle you are exactly going to put here so that sin 2a will be equal to 2 sin a? So that sin 2a will be equal to 2 sin a. Sin 2a will be equal to 2 sin a. Sin 2a will be equal to 2 sin a for what value? Correct. Answer will be 0 degree. Only for 0 degree, sin 2 into 0 degree will be equal to 2 sin 0 degree. So here 2 into 0 means 0 value will come left side, 0 value will come right side. Done. We will go for next question. Now itself I have discussed and told you one formula. Based on that formula it will become very easy for you. Just remember I told you now, when denominator minus will be there, then what you have to do? 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Think nicely and then tell the answer. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Absolute Sudarshan. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. This formula is exactly going to be super. So now that means beta 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, that will be exactly becoming as tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta. So here it is exactly going to come as tan 2 into 30 degree. So 2 into 30 degree. So it is exactly going to come as tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree. The correct answer is coming as tan 60 degree. Absolutely correct. The correct answer is coming as tan 60 degree. Now go for next value. The value of sin theta or cos theta never exceed. The value of sin theta or cos theta never exceed. It's a very technical or a very good question. You may get trapped in this type of question. You may get trapped in this type of question. Very good. Very nice analysis. If you are telling A as option, that is the perfect answer you are telling. If you are telling A as option, because beta look here, never exceed. So minus 1 is there, 0 is there, 1 is there and infinity is there. So in the sequence they are telling never exceed, but sin theta value is exceeding 0, minus 1, sin theta value is exceeding 0. Exceeding means going right. Exceeding means going right, but sin theta value will never exceed 1. This is not possible. So correct answer will be 1. Absolute. Exceed or precede, not precede. Exceed means going right. Precede means going left. So if they might have asked here, sin theta value will never precede, then your answer might have been minus 1. Never precede, it can never go this time. Never exceed 1, never precede minus 1. Remember this part. Never exceed 1, never precede minus 1. Never precede minus 1. So always remember this part. Next question. In triangle ABC, right angled at point B, if tan A equal to 1 by root 3, then the value of sin A cos C, cos A sin C is what? Sin A cos C, cos A sin C. Sin A cos C, cos A sin C. So we are not going to waste our much time, because here we are just trying to draw the triangle. Triangle drawing is exactly going to do our work. B is here, C is here, A is here. So tan A is 1 by root 3. So tan is perpendicular by base. So now this part will become, hypotenuse will be root 3 square plus 1 square. So it is coming as 3 plus 1 4. So it is coming as 2. Root 3 whole square is 3. Root 3 whole square will be coming what? 3. So 3 plus 1 will become 4. So 4 will give you 2. So here this side is coming as 2, this side is coming as 1 and this side is coming as root 3. So now sin A is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So 1 by 2. Cos C, for cos C, this part will become base, this part will become hypotenuse. So 1 by 2 plus sin cos A. For cos A, base is root 3 by 2. Sin C, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. So root 3 by 2. Here it is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. So here it will become 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So it is coming 4 by 4 and 4 by 4 is coming as 1. So correct answer is what? Correct answer is B. Let's see how many of you have given correct answer. The correct answer is coming as, yes Rashmi, I am going to solve science paper. Since maths exam no gap they have given. So today I didn't solve most of the question in morning itself, we have checked, but I am going to send the solution as fast as possible. Okay. Go for this question. The value of tan theta increases from 0 to infinity when theta increases from very nicely check this part and tell the answer. Very nicely check this part and tell the answer. Always remember one small thing. The value of tan theta exactly lies like this. See, the value of theta, when theta will be increasing from 0 to 90 degree. This is 0 degree and this is 90 degree. So between 0 to 90 degree, the value of tan theta goes from 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. Between 0 to 90 degree, the value of tan theta goes from 0 to infinity. Okay. Between 0 to minus 90 degree, between 0 to minus 90 degree, between 0 to minus 90 degree, the value of tan theta goes from 0 to minus infinity. Remember this one. Remember this point, note down this point. There should not be any mistake related to this part. So just remember this part, कि when somebody will be telling you this, so you have to do like this, you draw this. Now just understand this section. This is tan graph, this is 0, this is 90 degree, this is 0, this is minus 90 degree. These are asymptotic lines. Now we have to check this one out. Between 0 to 90 degree, tan theta value lies between 0 to infinity. Between 0 to minus 90 degree. Between this, the tan theta value lies between 0 to minus infinity. So it is going 0 to minus infinity. Here for tan 0 to minus 90 and 0 to 90, it is going from 0 to infinity. Remember, will you be able to do this? Yes, I am going to send this PDF in class. I am going to send this PDF, maximum question once it will be over. I am going to send this PDF as fast as possible. So answer is exactly going to be C, absolutely correct. Go for this question 49. The value of tan square 30 degree and sin square. So you can solve this question. So I am going to leave these type of questions. This question came in CBSE 2020. So tan square 60 degree is nothing but root 3 square. So root 3 square will give you 3 and this one will give you 1 by 2. So it will come 6 by 3 to the 6, that is 7 by 2. So these answers you can be able to solve. So we are exactly going to go for next question. Some typical questions, let's see. Now check this one out. Sin x plus cos y equal to 1, x equal to 30 degree, y is an acute angle. Then y will be what? Now solve this type of question. This question came in CBSE 2019. Now x value is coming as 30 degree. Substitute here 30 degree. Sin 30 degree will be equal to sin 30 degree. They have exactly given x equal to 30 degree. X equal to 30 degree already given. So sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus cos y equal to 1. Immediately solve this. Cos y is 1 minus 1 by 2. So it is cos y is coming as 1 by 2. So that means y will be cos, which angle is exactly coming? Cos y equal to cos 60 degree, because 1 by 2 in the table, if you will see for cos, it will be coming as 60 degree. So y is coming as what degree? Y is coming as 60 degree. So what answer is exactly going to come? 60 degree. Here very cleverly substitute and then check. Now go for this question. This question came in CBSE 2017. Check. Back to back, these questions already came in CBSE. What question is there? Sin alpha is 1 by 2. Go for sin table and check which angle is given, which angle is giving 1 by 2, then you will see that ki sine 30 degree is giving 1 by 2. So write 1 by 2 value is sine 30 degree. That means alpha is coming as 30 degree. Alpha is coming as 30 degree. Tan beta, go for tan table and check. 1 by root 3 comes when tan 30 degree is there. So beta is coming as 30 degree. So alpha is coming as 30 degree. Beta is coming as 30 degree. Now cot alpha plus beta. Cot alpha plus beta means cot 60 degree. Cot 60 degree value is what? Cot 60 degree value is 1 by root 3. Cot 60 degree value is 1 by root 3. If you will not be knowing how the table, then nobody will be able to solve you. They are telling memorize. Look here. Now go for this question. Sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0, then what will be the value of sin 4 theta plus cos 4 theta? See, I told you now, take theta value very nicely, which will give you 0. Take theta value very nicely, which will give you 0. What can be theta value here so that sin theta minus cos theta will become 0? Come on, tell me what can be the theta value? What can be theta value? What can be theta value here? What can be theta value? Absolute. Everyone is telling correct answer. Now I will screw you all. Now here, sin 45 degree minus cos 45 degree will become 0, because here theta you have taken as 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. There is only one angle which is exactly making sin theta minus cos theta as 0, and that is theta equal to 45 degree. That is theta equal to 45 degree. Theta equal to 45 degree. So now that means sin 4. Now for this one, what you are going to put? So sin 1 by root 2 to the power 4 plus 1 by root 2 to the power 4. So here it will come 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 2 by 4 coming as 1 by 2. So which answer is exactly going to be the correct answer? Very good. 1 by 2 will become the correct answer. Why I did like that? Because sine and cos are complementary. So only one angle will be there which can make sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0, and that is sin 45 degree. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 will become equal to 0. 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 will become 0. So here sin theta, so here sin 1 by root 2 4 plus 1 by root 2 4. So 1 by root 2 is coming how many times? 4 times. So root 2 will give you 2, root 2 will give you 2. So it is exactly going to come as 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So it will come as 2 by 4. So answer will come 1 by 2. Okay. Shall we go for next question, please? Go for this question and solve the answer. Go for this question and tell what answer is exactly going to come. I am going to be with you all till 11 o'clock today. All chapter typical questions I will be solving. For this question, what answer is exactly going to come? Absolute, because beta 1 minus 1 will become 0. 0 multiplied to anything will become 0. So why we are going to waste our time? So answer will be coming as 0. Go for this question. Solve the question. Many concepts are there here. Go for this question. Sin A equal to cos B equal to 1 by 2. Now here you have to put that angle which will give you. So in the table when you will go, you will see that sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2. So A is coming 30 degree. Cos 60 degree value is coming 1 by 2. So B is coming as 60 degree. A 30 degree, B 60 degree. Then 30 plus 60 will become how much? 30 plus 60 will become 90. So half of 90 will become 45 degree. So tan 45 value, come on, quickly say the answer. Absolute Janani, super beta. Answer is exactly going to come as 1. Now look here beta, simple technique here you are going to use. No need to hurry burry, means when this question will be coming, not to panic. Root 2 sin 60 degree minus alpha equal to 1. First work, whatever is with sin, you shift it down of 1. Now sin 60 degree minus alpha is 1 by root 2. Go to sin table. In sin table, sin root 2 value is sin 45 degree. So 60 minus alpha equal to sin 45 degree. That means angle will be 60 minus alpha equal to 45 degree. 60 minus alpha equal to 45 degree. So 60 plus 45 degree will be coming as alpha. 60 plus 45 degree will be coming as alpha. Come on, check this one out. What you are going to subtract, or you can make both side will be equal to equal. So it is coming more. So what angle you are going to, what alpha will be putting? So left side will be equal to right side. 60 minus 45. 60 minus 45 will become equal to alpha. If 45 will shift that side. So it is exactly going to come how much? 15 degree. So alpha will be what degree? Alpha will be 15 degree. Absolutely correct. Alpha is exactly going to be 15 degree. These questions are very, very important for your examination. What type of question they will give? They will give these type of questions only. Now beta, they have created a problem for you. I know my children are capable of coming out from this problem. The maximum value of 1 by cosecant theta is. The maximum value of 1 by cosecant theta is. Are you going to wait for these type of questions? Or you are going to solve this type of question as fast as possible? The correct answer is B. Why? Because 1 by cosecant does not make sense. 1 by cosecant is nothing but sin theta. And I told you sin theta minimum value is -1, maximum value is 1. So answer is B. Why we are going to waste our time there? And this question already came CBSE 2011. Go for this question beta. Sin square 30 degree minus cos square 30 degree. This you have to solve. Rashmi, cos theta also minimum value is -1 and maximum value is 1. Cos minimum is -1, maximum is 1 beta. Go for this question. So sin 30 degree, if you will go in the table, it will come 1 by 2 whole square. This is coming root 3 by 2 whole square. So 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. So minus 2 by 4. So minus 1 by 2. So what answer is exactly going to come? Absolute. Super. So answer A will be coming. Go for question number. Come on, quickly solve the question. This one. Now when a very easy concept I am going to teach you so that it will be used by you in tomorrow's exam. Cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Cos 2 theta same 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cos 2 theta same equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. You see cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Same cos 2 theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Same cos 2 theta cos square theta minus sin square theta. Then you will be thinking why auntie is telling this. I am telling you because if they will give you like this 2 cos square 30 degree minus 1. That means first one they are telling 2 cos square 30 degree minus 1. Directly you go. How much degree is there? 30. Double of 30 will become, answer will come cos 60 degree. That's it. Here 1 minus 2 sin square 45 degree. If theta is coming as 45 degree, so 1 minus 2 sin square 45 degree, that means cos will become 2 into 45 degree. That is cos 90 degree. Answer will come as 0. Understood? So cos square theta minus sin square theta, when you will be writing, it will be coming as cos 2 theta. So if any angle they are going to put here, then it will become like cos square 45 degree or minus sin square 45 degree. Then directly you write here cos 2 into 45 degree. This is a very important angle concept I have given. This is a very important angle concept I have given. To, if you don't know the table, then you remember one thing. 2 cos square theta minus 1 cos 2 theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos 2 theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta cos 2 theta. For all this method, but remember, first cos will come. 2 cos square theta minus 1 cos 2 theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. See the pattern. And cos square theta minus sin square theta cos 2 theta. You will pick it directly and solve. Now let's see the questions. Let's see the questions. Here 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now what answer is exactly going to come? Direct. What formula is exactly going to be useful? Tan 60 degree is root 3. Okay. Now one formula is there. Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Now tan 60 degree. I told you this formula. Tan 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Directly match which one is matching among this. What answer is exactly going to come? So here the moment you will see 60, the moment you will see 30, double of 30 is 60. Remember this one. The moment you will be seeing 60 and 30, so tan 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So here what was given? Tan 60 degree So here 60 is what? 2 into 30. What is theta now? Theta is 30 degree. Now you will be thinking why auntie is giving last moment all these formulas, so that it will be present in your brain and examination it will not at all create problem. But one thing is there, once I will release this PDF to you, you just go through one more time along with my formula. It will make your work very easy. Okay. Now in a right triangle, the hypotenuse is 2 times as long as it's one side. One of the acute angle is, tell me. What answer is exactly going to come? This question belongs to you. This question belongs to you and I want you to solve this question. Very good. That was a very quick decision. Now look here. I am going to explain this one. In a right triangle, the hypotenuse is 2 times as long as it's one side. So if one side is x, then hypotenuse will become 2x. Then what will be this side? Root 3x. So now this side is coming as 2x, this is x and this is root 3x. Now what angle will be this one and what angle will be this one? So now root 3x by x is coming. So here if we will take tan theta, here if we will take this as theta and this is phi, so this is already 90 degree. So this is theta. Now tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. So root 3. So tan 30 means this angle is coming 60. If this is coming 60, then another one will become 30. So here 60 30 is not there, 60 30 is not there, only 30 is there. So one of the angle is 30, another angle will become 60 degree. Another angle will become 60 degree. So like that you have to solve. Now this question, go for this question. Many a times we have done this question number 61. Many a times I taught you this question number 61. Here I told you to put one angle which can make maximum value of tan is coming as 1. So that means tan 45 degree, tan square 45 degree, cot square 45 degree. It will come 1 plus 1, 2. That means theta is coming what? Theta is coming as 45 degree. So now what answer? Here whatever value they will give. If they will give tan 100x plus cot 100x also, means what is x? X is 45 degree. Tan 45 above 100, cot 45 above 100, tan 45 value is 1, 1 plus 1. So maximum value always will come as 1. Maximum value will always come as 1. So never go for any other substitution. Whenever such question will be coming, very cleverly attempt the question. Very cleverly attempt the question. Maximum value when you will add this 2 is coming 2, means theta is none other than 45. Then here 45 degree means 1 plus 1. 2 answer will only come. Remember this type of questions. Now next question, which of the following is incorrect? I discussed this point, now I know you will be able to handle. I know you will pick it as fast as possible. What type of question will come in exam? Like this type of question will only come. Which one is incorrect? After knowing the limit of sin theta, tan theta, cos theta, that was a very quick answer. Because we know that sin theta will never exceed 1. Here sin theta is given as 3. So answer is B. Very nice, very good answer. I know trigonometry is problem for everyone. So only I am trigonometry tomorrow morning surface that is triangles, similar triangles. Tomorrow morning full dissection of triangle chapter I am going to do. Evening surface area, whichever chapter you will say, because real number PDF I am going to send today. Real number videos are also there. 2-3 times real number revision we have done. Which of the following is possible? Cos theta equal to 7 by 5. Sin theta equal to 13 by 12. secant theta equal to 4 by 5, tan theta equal to 41. Which one is possible? Very nicely attempt the question and say the answer. Which one is possible? I told you the limits. Remember, I told you the limits. I told you the limits. Work on the limit. Absolute Janani. Super. I want all of you to see the question and throw the question of trigonometry like this. See, this is never possible because I told you cos theta value lies between -1 to 1, -1 to 1. But here they are exceeding 1. They are exceeding what beta? They are exceeding 1. So this is never possible. Sin theta is also exceeding 1. Never possible. Secant theta is coming less than 1. But we know that secant theta value will never be less than 1. 4 by 5 is what? Multiplied to 8 by 10. 8 by 10 is 0.8. How can secant theta be equal to 0.8 when secant theta value lies between -1 to 1? That means above it or below it. But here 0.8 lies between here. So here 0.8 will be coming in between. So this is also not possible. But tan theta takes set of all real number. Any real number answer will be coming. So 41 is the correct answer. Are you understanding now? Are you understanding now how you are going to attempt the question? Now here one simple question, they are telling that theta lies between 0 to 90 for first quadrant. Now sec theta is, secant theta will be less than 1, greater than 1, equal to 1 or 0. Here a very important question is there. I need to discuss this question very nicely. Wait. I'll describe this question. First what they are telling that in first quadrant, because they are telling they are restricting theta value between 0 to 90. They are restricting theta value between 0 to 90. They are restricting theta value between 0 to 90. Strict inequality is there. So here strict inequality means between 0 degree to 90 degree. Okay. Now what we are seeing that they are asking that is secant theta value greater than 0, less than 0? What options are there? Secant theta value greater than 0, less than 0, greater than 1. Secant theta value is greater than 1. Here this symbol means what? This symbol means secant theta value greater than 1, secant theta value less than 1, secant theta value equal to 1, secant theta value equal to 0. First thing is that these two will not be possible. Between 0 to 90 degree, specific values will not come. The condition will come. Specific values will not come. Condition will come. Okay. So secant theta value will be greater than 1 is the correct answer. Secant theta value will be greater than 1 is correct answer. Then you will be thinking, auntie, you are cheating us. You have not told how secant theta will be greater than 1 in first one. So I am going to explain this one. See, look here. With the graph if you will do, it will be very easy. Now just draw this one in any part of your note. I am drawing something for any part of your note. You draw this one, and tomorrow before going for examination or tomorrow one time you turn the page, you will 100% understand what is there. I promise you. So now look here. Between 0 to 90, cos theta, this is 1 and this is -1. Cos theta is decreasing. The value is going down. By the curve itself understand. The cos theta value is going less than 1. Cos theta value is going less than 1. Between 0 to 90 degree. Why we will only do for secant theta? We will do for all angles, for trigonometric ratio. Now, between, remember this one, between 0 to 90 degree, sin theta value is increasing. So, sin theta value will be going towards 1. Strictly greater than 1 means it will not be 1, it will be exactly less than 1, but it is exactly going to be greater than 1 means the value will be increasing. The value will be increasing means the value will go greater than 0. Don't write 1 here, you write greater than 0. Don't write 1 here, you write less than 0. It is the value is going less than 0, the value is going greater than 0 because 1 they cannot attend. Okay, so sine theta value will be greater than 0. Greater than 0 but less than 1. Greater than 0 but less than 1. Here less than, exactly greater than 1 but less than 0. So here it is exactly going to go down. So now these two graphs you have understood. Draw it somewhere. I am going to give break. 100% I am going to give break. But beta, after understanding this concept, please I am going to give break. This is a very, very important point. Shall I complete this statement? Children, tell me fast. Shall I complete this statement? Shall I complete this statement, beta? And then I will give you a break. This is a very, very important point. I cannot leave this section because I am scared that if any concept like this will come, I want my children to be very comfortable to answer. Okay? Okay, just give me 1 minute. I will explain everything. So, beta, just remember, between 0 to 90 degree, cos theta value will start decreasing from 1 because the curve is going from 1 to towards down, 0. So, value is cos theta value is started going from 1 towards 0. Between 0 to 90 degree, the value of sin theta started getting greater than 0. Okay, now between 0 to, I already discussed this one because tan theta infinity. So between 0 to 90 degree, tan theta values goes between, tan theta value goes between 0 to infinity, positive infinity. This one we have already discussed. Between 0 to which degree? Between 0 to 90 degree. It is the value goes between 0 to infinity. Okay. Now the most important point, that is secant 1. For secant 1 you have to remember one thing. Secant hates this region. Secant is hating this region, means secant value will never be touching 1 and minus 1. So now secant curve will be exactly going like this. Okay, that means between 0 to 90 degree, secant theta value will be greater than 1. You see, it is increasing from 1. So it is greater than 1. It is going greater than 1. Secant is reciprocal of cos. So cos is decreasing, then secant is increasing. So secant theta value between 0 to 90 degree, it will be greater than 1. It will be greater than 1. Note down this one. This is a very, very important point. I don't want my children to leave any questions like this. Understood? So note down, draw this one somewhere. I am ready to wait. You take the screenshot and note down whatever you wish. You do it, but don't leave this concept. Any question can come in examination and we have to be ready to answer. Now what will happen for cosecant? Between 0 to 90 degree, cosecant value will go down. Okay? So here if it is coming up, it will exactly go down. Understood? So it will exactly go down. If this is 1, then it will exactly go down. It will exactly go down. Cosecant value will exactly go down. This is going up. This is exactly going down. It is exactly going to go down. Wait, 1 minute, wait. Increasing, decreasing. So, if this is increasing, from 1 it will be going down. If I will draw this one, just 1 minute, beta. This is going up. That is for secant. That is for secant. So 1 should be there, and from there the value should go down. Okay. Value should go down. And then here it will be going up. But it should touch 1. Just wait for cosecant. I will check one confirmation for cosecant. But for cot, you remember, cot value will be exactly going down. This is for cot beta. Asymptotic lines will be there between 0 to 90 degree. The cot value will be exactly going from 0 to minus infinity. Between 0 to 90 degree, cot 0 to 90 degree, cot theta value will go from 0 to minus 90. It will go from 0 to minus 90. It will go from 0 to minus 90. It will go from 0 to minus 90. Here 1 will be attended. After 1 it is going down. Correct only. After 1 it will start going down. So it will attend 1 and cosecant 0 will be, cosecant 0 will be exactly going to be infinity. From infinity it will be coming. So infinity will be coming means it will not be touching this region. Cosecant of 0 degree, cosecant of 0 degree is coming as infinity. Okay, it will come like this beta. It will come like this. Cosecant of 0 is what? We remember na, sine 0 is 0. Then cosecant 0 will come infinity. So here 0 degree itself will become asymptotic line. So here the curve will exactly start going like this and then it will go like this. So here between 0 to 90 degree it is going down like this. Remember this one. Now it is correct. Now I am just one time there was a block in my brain. So I just stopped. Now I am correct. Now look here. Here what you have to do is simple thing beta. Cosecant 0 degree. Cosecant 0 degree is infinity. That means this line will not be touched by cosecant. But here the value will be exactly, maximum value will be infinity. Between infinity to minus, this part is coming. So between minus infinity. So exactly between infinity it is going towards 1. Between, so it is, the value is exactly going less than. So cosecant theta will go less than 1. Cosecant theta will go less than 1. Secant theta is going greater than 1. Secant theta is exactly going greater than 1. Previous graph I am going to explain. I am going to explain everything beta. I am going to explain this one. Just look here. I will explain all the graphs one more time. See, look here. Cos theta between 0 to 90 degree. You have to remember because first quadrant is only important for you. For between 0 to 90 degree, cos theta value will start going down. Means cos theta value start coming from 1 to 0. Okay. So that means it is decreasing. So cos theta value will be less than 0. Between 0 to 90 degree, sin theta value will start becoming greater than 0. Sin theta value will be greater than 0, but it will be less than 1. So it will reach to this region. Okay. Now tan theta, for tan theta look here. For tan theta what you have to do? Tan theta 0 to 90, it will come value 0 to infinity. Now reverse of this will go for cot theta. Okay. For secant theta what I discussed, secant theta what I am telling that ki secant theta, it will go, the value of secant theta will never come in between this region. So it will go increasing. So secant theta is greater than 1 beta. Secant theta greater than 1 will come. So that means above 1, 1 to infinity it is going. 1 to infinity. Between 0 to 90 degree, secant theta value goes between 1 to infinity. It will be greater than 1 but less than infinity. It will be greater than 1 but less than infinity. Greater than 1, less than infinity. I am explaining each and every point beta so that you cannot miss anything. Now here for cosecant beta, for cosecant, the value cosecant theta value lies between infinity to 1. Infinity to 1. That means you see it is coming from infinity towards 1. So it is exactly coming less than. So cosecant theta value will be less than 1. See, the graph is exactly going down. So cosecant theta value lies between infinity to 1. And now cot theta value will be coming. Look here, cot theta is exactly what? Cot theta is exactly reciprocal. So here cot theta graph is like this. So between 0 to 90 degree, between 0 to 90 degree, the curve is going from 0 to infinity, but infinity down is there. If infinity up is there means positive infinity. If infinity down is there means negative infinity. Infinity down means negative infinity. Infinity down means negative infinity. So that's why cot theta value lies between 0 to minus infinity. Cot theta value lies between what? Cot theta value lies between 0 to minus infinity. I hope you might have understood this point. Come on, quickly tell me, understood? Beta, understood this point? Come on, quickly tell me. I am not going to leave any one of you. If you have not understood, Kavya, beta, graph very important. Now look here. Based on the graph, what you have done, you are capable of answering the question. Now, once you remember the graph, you will be able to handle this condition between 0 to 90. Quickly, you will draw like this. 0 to 90. 0 to 90. Now, secant theta value, you know that secant theta value will go up or down. If it is going, it is exactly going to go up. So, secant theta value will be greater than 1. So, secant theta value is exactly going to go greater than 1. Secant theta value is going to go greater than 1. Understood? So, like that you have to remember. Now, 65 question. Now, look here. Sin A equal to cos A. Then A is equal to what value? Sin A equal to cos A. In only one condition, sin A will be equal to cos A. Till 65 question you will do. Then I will give you 10 minutes break, 10 to 15 minutes, because beta day after tomorrow exam is there. We don't have that much time, and I really want all of you to be with me as much as possible so that we can encounter several questions. Okay. So like this, I cannot be going in your home, but I can be present like this. I am ready to stand for you. But how much questions will be possible? That much questions we can do. So what answer? In only one angle it is possible. Sin 45 equal to cos 45. Then only they will be equal to each other. Okay. So how many minutes break? Come on, tell me. How many minutes break you want to do? How many minutes break you want? 15 minutes break, okay? If you will be with me, we will keep on discussing questions. One second, Tawfiq, really I am telling how much you will be with me, that much we can encounter and solve questions. 15 minutes okay, 15 minutes okay Rahul, because today night till 11 o'clock I am planning to be with all of you. So that 15 minutes break, once you will get tired, take 15 minutes break, again I will start the session, again we will discuss question, so that if any question doubt will be there, you will exactly ask again that auntie how this question will be solved, okay? So that is 30 minutes break. 15. Okay. Bargaining. 20 minutes break.